Catherine Wells, who used to work for the National Institutes of Health in Washington, D.C., is now the director for the Lubbock Health Department. Wells talks about the flu trends in the Lubbock area.
Flu kind of varies from year to year. So some years we see lots of cases and it's a severe year, and then other years it's been moderate. For the last 2 years, it's really been fairly light to moderate flu activity. Right now, it's still considered light. Flu surveillance is showing that we have some people with flu symptoms, but we don't have any confirmed cases here in Lubbock. If someone is concerned about getting the flu vaccine or they think they have some other complications, they really need to talk to their doctor about the pros and cons of getting it. But the CDC recommends it for everybody 6 months and up. And they actually they try to predict what they're going to see with flu for the next year. They actually have to start manufacturing the flu vaccine in the summertime. They can't do it right when we start seeing flu circulating. So sometimes the match between what's circulating and what's in the flu vaccine isn't always the best match. However, getting the flu vaccine is still going to provide you some coverage. There are side effects from the flu vaccine. I always hear people call me and say, I got the flu vaccine yesterday and now I'm sick. And that's not how the disease process works. With the disease, it's actually going to take 2 weeks from you getting the flu vaccine before your body's able to build up that immunity. So you were likely exposed to a cold or something close to the time that you got the flu shot, and then you're associating it with that. What I usually say to anybody about any vaccine is the vaccines have been, they go through trials, they go through FDA approval. It's something hundreds of thousands of people get every year.
Wells discusses the concerns some may have with getting the vaccine.
We're told that they are safe. People do have concerns about kind of the preservatives that are in the vaccine. With flu in particular, we do have some preservative-free vaccine if they're interested in that. And again, they have to make the decision for themselves. But from a public health standpoint, I see it as important for everybody to get. It's not too late to get your flu vaccine if you haven't gotten it yet. It's still recommended. So get out there and get to either the pharmacy, the school health center, or the health department to get your vaccine.